Please listen to the legal disclaimer at the end of this video. Good afternoon, this is Boiler. This is Credit Rage Uncut number 7. Today I wanted to talk about lawyers and lawyers testifying in court, and wanted to share with you my thoughts on that. So a lot of times you'll be in court and it's just you, the judge, and pardon me, a lawyer, and the lawyer will bring in some kind of evidence, whatever this is, some kind of trial or hearing that you're going through, and they'll hold up a piece of paper and say, this is a billing statement that proves that Boiler Williams owes Chase Bank $3,000 or whatever it is. So you need to know your rights and the laws regarding that, and I think you really kind of need to be a pain in the butt and not just accept things. If you accept things, there's going to be all kinds of evidence put in court against you that really shouldn't be, and the lawyers really feed upon you not knowing the rules and not knowing when to object, not even knowing to object. So if this was a statement, a billing statement, supposed billing statement, a lawyer tries to put it into court as evidence, I object to everything that a lawyer puts into court as evidence. And why I do, there's two reasons that I do. The first reason is that there's no foundation for that evidence. This evidence, there's nothing to authenticate it, and that's called having a foundation legally. So there's no foundation for this. There's nobody that's saying that this is correct. So the next natural thing that could happen is the lawyer says, I say it's correct. Then I always ask, counsel, are you testifying? And that usually gets them a little bit nervous, because I think they have an inkling of where I'm going. And where I'm going is, there's a case, Testify versus Pagliaro, that states that lawyers cannot testify. So you're either a lawyer or you're a witness. Which is it? So in the case of some stupid billing statement, if the attorney says, I have verified it, then you need to ask them, are you testifying? Are you testifying to the foundation of this document? And usually they'll say no, and then the document will get thrown out. So if you know that, it's just a little game that can be played in courts, and courts are full of a lot of games. I don't know how many times you've been to court, but I've been to a significant amount of courts and spent a significant amount of time in courts, and lawyers testifying is one of my favorite things to object to, and the foundation of any document that is put into court is another thing that I like to object to. And when you go through and destroy their evidence, their case gets flimsier and flimsier and flimsier, and then the chances of them getting a judgment against you gets less and less. So question the foundation of all documents, and make sure that attorneys never testify in court without you calling them out for it. So I will put that Testify versus Pagliaro. The first time I ever heard of it, I wanted to do legal research on it, and I didn't know how to spell any of that stuff. So on the web page that this is on my website, I'll have that spelling for you, and perhaps a link to the case law or any other links, quick links that I can put up there for you, just so you can read a little bit about it. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Take care and have a great day. This is the legal disclaimer. While the information on this site deals with legal issues, it does not constitute legal advice. The materials in this video and related websites are provided for informational purposes only and do not constitute legal advice. We do not advise on the application of law to an individual's specific circumstances. Although we go to great lengths to make sure our information is accurate and useful, we recommend you consult a lawyer if you want professional assurance that our information and your interpretation of it is appropriate to your particular situation. There are no lawyers in this video or on the notlegaladvice.org family of websites. The contact information for this video is notlegaladvice.org. That is the main blog. nlapublishing.org. That is the main book site. The email address is boiler@notlegaladvice.org. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to email me. I'd love to hear from you.